Okay, hello everyone. So what we have is a free faucet I'm trying to replace. It's very old. What the previous owner did was just welded or kind of soldered the pipe over with the brass ring to the faucet, and that's thought to me like it's an ugly design setup. So what I'm going to do is not do any kind of soldering, because in future if I want to replace this, then it would be easy for me to do it. So instead what we're going to do is use these Sharkbites over here. So the other pipe will just snap in here, the water pipe, and then this goes over the faucet. It's going to look like this. All right. So as you can see, the pipe is just going to go snap in, coming over from the main lines. The other thing is that so I cut one already, and I'm using the cutter now to cut the other pipe. This is better than using a hacksaw or anything, because the cut is nice and smooth and it's in one line. So after I cut this pipe, I can take out this whole faucet and I'll install the new one. So the way you cut it actually is you put this thing on and then you turn it, and as you're turning, there's a wheel inside, like the cutter there. So that actually bites or cuts into the pipe. So every time you turn, you have to turn this knob to kind of compensate for that. And I guess after a couple of turns, the pipe will automatically cut. I'm out of breath because I went up the stairs a couple of times and down. So once that is cut on, I'll show you guys. Alright, so I don't know, I turned off the water, but it's probably just some water in the line. The point here is that I was successful in cutting the old pipes off of this ugly faucet. Here it is, you can see. So the cut is complete. So now I can install the new faucet, like so. And once that's done, we'll take a look. Alright, so the faucet has been installed. It was this easy. I forgot to remove the old compression nuts, but I'll just leave them on. All I had to do is push this guy up into the pipes, and I'm going to install this actual fitting or pipe that kind of goes in here. Make sure to put these rubber gaskets, so this goes in like so, and then you tighten this nut over here.